How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 72 Monte Carlo. It's had a recent frame off restoration. Very solid, all original panel car. Done in flame orange with the black vinyl top. The original grille, the bumpers are the originals. They're all in excellent condition. Very, very nice chrome on the car for original. Nice straight, flat down the sides. The paint's real slick on the car. It's got the cam or buckskin interior in it. Got the factory rallies with flat caps. Vinyl tops all new. All the gaps and the fitment on this car are very, very nice. Tail panel moldings are original. They look real nice. Rear bumper, it's got a little bit of aging on the bumper. Won't really show in the pictures or video. Super straight down the sides, flat, nice paint. It's all base clear. It's got a 300 horse 350. It's been rebuilt. All new hoses and belts. It's got the heavy duty cooling system. It's got your factory air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes. The interior is all the original interior, and it's in excellent condition. A little bit of fading on the tops of the door panels, which is kind of common for one this old. Headliner's real nice, tight. Got all your front and rear seat belts, your shoulder straps. It's got factory tilt wheel. It's got the 400 turbo trans, 12 bolt limited slip rear end with 331 gear, I believe. See the trunk, it's all real nice. Got the factory original spare, old bias ply spare and jack and everything. See the trunk floor is all real nice in the car. Got nice, all the factory exhaust manifolds, dual exhaust out the back. Sounds real good. It's got all tinted glass. Speedometer shows 22,000 miles. Don't know if that's correct, but that's what it shows. The car's real clean, and the way the interior looks, being the original, that's very possible. And it's got the 300 horse 350 factory 4-barrel. Fires right up. We do have a horn relay coming for it. The horn relay's bad. We'll get that taken care of. So I really like all the side lights in these cars and side marker lights. Backup lights, everything worked like they should. Just a good sounding, good driving car. Car drives out great. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.